Okay, I'm Michael from Planet Naturopath, and in front of me here I have the Let's Get Checked test kit. This is a home test kit. This is going to be perfect for doing blood tests. I'm not sure if you've ever queued up in the morning to do a blood test, but there is so many people there, and it's going to be so much more convenient if we just do a simple test at home. So this is going to be a thyroid test. So let's see what we get in the box. Okay, we've got the collection kit instructions. This looks like the my personal code, so I'll put that aside. The instructions on how to activate the kit, so I'll have to do that online or on the app. Okay, so here's the blood collection tube. It looks like we need a huge amount of blood, but it's not that much we need. We'll put that aside. Lancets and plaster to sort of tape off the finger afterwards. They've given us 4 lancets, but hopefully we don't need 4. We might need 1 or 2. Specimen bag, it goes into here after we've collected the sample in here. So this is the Reply Paid Express UPS. So it gets sent to London. I'm doing the test in Canada, and the test is available all over North America, USA, Canada, Europe, and London. It's not yet available in Australia and New Zealand, but hopefully it comes there. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got my blood sample. Just put the lid back on, and then it's ready to send to the lab. Okay, I have my sample. So it goes in this biohazard bag here. Close it up. Goes back into the box that it was delivered in. And all ready to send back to the lab. So in a few days' time, the lab will get it, and within a few days after that, I'll have my results and I'll report on those later.